Don't you to go. Fine. Fuck it, chat. Let's get it going, man. Let's get it pumping. Who's here right now? Come say hi. Welcome back to the streams. Holy, I can't lie. This is gonna be a crazy one. Very, very interesting here, chat. Let's lock it in right now. See what we can do. First, we gotta start the stream, right? In 3, 2, chat. How are we doing, everybody? Look, welcome back. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Whatever it is, man, all of the above. How are we all doing? What's good? The Brado, what's good, my friend? Willu, Ewan, Tony, Sammy, Anil. Victory Settings is here. Chat, who else is here, man? Come say hi. What's good, Mr. Bedge? Jay's here. Hey is crazy with that many wires. Yo, chat, remember when you used to analyze whether a girl liked you or not because of how many wires she sent on her hey? Classic. I'm gonna be working since she got you in the headphones. All good, my friend. Kay, what's good? Dylan as well. Good morning, everyone, chat. It's gonna be a good day today. I'm excited for this one. Good afternoon. Yeah, man, look. Gold ripping right now, to be fair. Ripped up all morning. Very, very interesting here. Or if she would put an X next to the hey. Yeah, how many X's she'd send as well. Like, if she sent 1 X, maybe she was just being friendly. But if she sent 2 or 3, or if she sent 4, bro, then you know you're in. I remember that shit very well. All right, chat, look. Let's do a quick analysis here so we can jump into the stream. Obviously, it's very simple. Everything is bullish, right? There's no need to complicate this. Yeah, what's good, Blizzy? I like it. Yeah, everything's bullish. Every single time frame, including the 1 hour. So realistically, we just need to wait for an entry to print, right? If you wanted to plot ranges out, you could probably do... You probably don't even need to plot ranges out today, to be honest. But if you wanted to, you could probably do something like this. And then this. And then you actually have a level down here as well. But that's about it, really, chat. There's no sells today. Buys off this level. Buys above this level. Buys above this level. So simple, right? Hourly flipped. If this hourly closes bullish, you're realistically going to have a very nice little position here to be able to take and go forward with your day. Looking at a Sky Dollar position. There's not much else to say, to be honest, chat. But how you guys been, man? Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you're locked in. I'm excited for today, I can't lie. I think there's a lot of opportunity here. A lot of opportunity. We just need to see if we're able to grab some nice little positions here. We need to wait, stay patient though. There's no FOMOing in, there's none of that bullshit. We just wait, we be patient. Because we are at all-time highs, remember, chat. So realistically, it can get a bit tricky here. Also, we have FOMC tomorrow, right? Which is basically a warning that price could be a bit whack. So yeah, FOMC not today, but tomorrow, right? Yeah, tomorrow. So that's gonna be very interesting. Today though, do we have any news? We do have news today. We got retail sales at 1:30. So in about an hour's time, 50 minutes time, we have news. Should be very interesting, chat. But listen, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. Much love. And look, man, how have you guys been so far? Did anyone catch any buys this morning? Anyone catch any positions at all? How about yesterday? What did you guys get up to? It's time to make 10 billion. Maybe. Not maybe, actually, definitely. Yo, Mr. Mochi appeared on my YouTube For You page. How ridiculous is that? Now that is actually insane. Discord link? Yeah, just do this, exclamation mark Discord. Chat, by the way, I did a little revamp to the Discord, I can't lie. I did a little revamp. We got fancy ass names now. Look at these little shiny names for the mods. The one-on-one students have even shinier names. Look at this. Ooh. Oh, you can't even see that one. The camera's in the way. Wait. Fancy ass names. And wait, my name is also cool. It's like pink and shiny. You know the vibes. And as well as that, we've got a few things coming as well. I'm gonna add to the Discord. We're gonna add a thing where you can basically verify whether you're a funded trader or not, and you'll get a specific role in the Discord depending on whether you're funded on a certain amount. So we'll have like 100k funded, 500k funded. Ah, I just kicked my PC so hard. Ow! Ow! Oh, that really fucking hurt. I just absolutely murked my PC with my little toe. Owie, owie, owie. But yeah, chat, it's gonna be sick. I'm super excited for that, I can't lie. Yo, my sleep schedule is in the mud right now. Like, absolutely in the mud. Today I woke up at like 12 o'clock. Yesterday I woke up at like 1. It's not good, chat. It's not good, I can't lie. We need to fix that somehow. Hey, what's good, Mighty Meat? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? Oh, 5-minute close bullish here. Interesting, chat. Very, very interesting. Closed above and bottom wick on the open. Crazy work, chat. Are we going to see a nice little push up here after a big reversal? I can't lie. This is probably the liquidity grab that you needed to make, right? You swept below the previous lows. It's not a session low, but you swept below a previous low here. Now you're starting to make a pretty strong push up. The hourly flipped. If this hourly closes bullish, chat, in about 15 minutes, we're going to get a nice little buy position here. I don't know if I want to take it on the 15-minute, but I do know that if the hourly closes nicely, we're going to get a very, very good buy position. Yo, I did the analysis on the FX chart. Why did I do that? I never do that. It's kind of weird. I thought I was on the Forex one, on the futures one, but apparently not. Apparently not, man. Same levels though, chat. You know this, right? Price action's the exact same, pretty much. In fact, you probably actually respected. Oh, I did not even see that the 30 closed bullish. Very interesting. See, if I would have done my analysis on the FX chart, man, we would have been good. Holy. Holy. Oh, well, chat, we move. Anyway, hopefully we can get a nice little position here after this close. That 30 close was actually decent now that I look at it. We need to stop partying, bro. Bro, I wish it was because of partying. It's just because of working, man. I was up so late last night working. Like, I think we literally went to bed at like 4. Grafting away, man. But no, it was actually super productive. Where are all the homies at? Most of the people are here, I can't lie. Chat, I started posting on TikTok again recently. I took a break from it because it's a bit gay, but we're back now. We're back. I'm honestly gonna start pumping out so much content, as well as like the fundeds. Chat, by the end of this, the great Q4 lock-in is underway. It actually is, 100%. What's good, Jar? How's it going, brother? What's good, what's good, what's good? Yeah, man, the great Q4 lock-in is going to be monumental. I'm excited for it. Boom, boom, boom. So holy shit, chat, we're pushing up here. Realistically, you should tap into the top of the range here. That's so interesting, I can't lie. My personal goal is to achieve 100k in funding by the end of this year. That's very achievable, brother. Very, very achievable. You can definitely do that, my friend. Going good, man. Just on the way back from the gym, hence the burner. Ah, the classic. The classic burner account, eh? What's good, Sam? Welcome back to the chat. What a name. Best name in the chat right now. Hands down. Oh, we are ripping here, chat. Holy shit. The Ripskis underway. I think, chat, to be honest, today, you currently have 15K funding? Hey, well then you're chilling, bro. All you have to do is get a payout and then rotate that into more funding, and then you're funded like way more. How you doing? I'm doing very well, brother. How about you? Chat, I think today I'll trade my top steps, right? I think I'm gonna trade the top step of vows today because I've got 4 of vows here. You can see we're like, I think one is 700 away from passing, the rest are like 900 or something. So I think I'll trade those. Hopefully we can get a nice little position today, get a nice little pass as well. And then we should be good to go, to be truly honest. That's gonna be another 250K added to the funding. I thought my name was the best. Mighty Meat is a good name, I can't lie, but I have to stick by my Sams. When do you recommend put stops to BE? I rush putting stops to BE on GBP, JPY, and it tagged my SL and hit TP. You have to go off of like a structure point, right? You have to go off like previous rejection, or like a high being taken, liquidity being swept, or even just like, I would say, yeah, rejection areas being tapped is the best one. How do you go about eval risk compared to funded risk? What's the best strat? Well, it's a bit different for me because I can like, and I'm not being cocky here at all, but I can kind of afford to lose, not unlimited evals, but a relatively large amount of evaluations, right? So my risk on them is pretty much full port. But if I was, like, when I first started off, I would be risking sort of 2% on an evaluation, I think is a good area to be at. Risking 2% on an eval is not bad, because then you've got like, essentially, oh shit, we're gonna flip here on this 4 hour, we actually might. Because then you've got basically a decently high level of risk without blowing it in one trade, you know? But then when you get to a PA, when you get to like a past account, I think, well, not I think, I know for a fact, the best thing you can do is go for like, something around 1%, 1.5% max risk is very, very good. Chat, how are we gonna fill the range here? 15 no top wick though, which is a very interesting close. But I'm thinking the higher time frames is gonna start to take over here, to be truly honest. You should start to see the higher time frame take over, start to fill the range. But let's see, chat. Let's see. That was a good question though, I can't lie about the fundeds. But look, chat, I'm trying to figure out how we can get an entry here. It's gonna be the 30 close, or the hourly close, I think. It's gonna have to be. We could see some continuation after the news, but it's too soon to tell. Yeah, that's the problem as well, chat. You got news coming out in like 45 minutes from here, which is gonna be very interesting. I mean, let's see what we can grab. Because to be honest, if we can grab like a nice little closure above, liquidity grab, and then a buy on a wick, we could hold that forever. Even try and hold it through news if we get a position on this hourly. Even if you get a closure like this, I think you should be good after a bottom wick to continue up, right? So if you can get a decent entry here, realistically, I believe, can you trade news on ACG? No. How long did it take you to pass your first eval? Ah, bro. Well, not bro, but I passed, what did I do? I'm thinking, because I passed an eval and then blew it early on in my trading career, so I don't know if I want to count that, but you kind of could. And then I went and traded live accounts for a while, and then I came back, so probably like, honestly, 16 months. I've only recently started trading fundeds again, right? Like I was trading live accounts only for an extended period of time until very recently. I would say like 3-4 months ago, I started getting back into fundeds. Maybe a little bit longer, maybe like 6 months actually. But yeah, like, this is the thing, chat. I'm very new to the funded game, which is, I was talking to this with Tom yesterday. For the fact that I have like $500,000 funding, bearing in mind I've only traded fundeds for like 6 months, I think is a very good achievement, I can't lie. Hovering about here though, chat. You need to make a little pullback here. Maybe we just made a higher low to continue back up. We shall see. What did you lot used to do in the daily calls? Basically, it would just be like a trade recap call. So like, everyone would talk about the trades they took, what they did wrong, what they did right, what they could do better. I barely spoke in them, right? I just kind of facilitated it, and then it was like a group decision to like, or like a group call to help each other out. It was they're pretty good, to be honest. Pushing back up here, chat. Rebroke the highs. Realistically, now you should see it fill the range. I don't see why it wouldn't. Which is not really good for us, to be honest. But it is what it is. Well, that music might be a bit loud, I can't lie. Alright, there you go. Let's see what happens here, chat. We might need a closure above now, to be honest. Which might be pretty shit, but we'll see. 5 closing here as well. In a couple of seconds. Pushing up towards the top of the range here. Holy rips. Can I have a mod? Yo, Mr. Mochi, get out my chat, man. You're not allowed here. You're banned. You're well and truly banned. Should we ban Mr. Mochi forever? I feel like we should. Just finally get rid of him. I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. We have some free speech here. Not too much, but we have some. Just a little bit. A little bit of free speech. Have you ever seen Mr. Mochi and Eugene in the same room at the same time? I haven't. You make a very good point. I have not. Which is kind of scary if you think about it. Like, yeah, that is kind of scary. Things flying? I know, I know, I know. Chat, listen, make sure you drop a like on the stream, by the way, if you haven't already. Very important thing. Really does help out, I can't lie. Eugene needs to shut up, man. Yeah, I agree with that one. Oh my days, this shit is ripping, chat. 9 minutes to the hourly close, though. If we can get a closure above with a top wick. I'll be back in a sec, yeah? Oh my days. You chatting Waz? Damn, I've been proven wrong. Yeah, you actually have. He's got you. There you are, Mr. Mochi and Eugene Jr. in the same room. Pretty insane if you think about it. What is this?
Let's go, I'm up 400k. I'm gonna put some more spikes over here. We're up $1 million here. I'm gonna use the hammer to push price further. Fuck it, we're bringing out the big hammer today. My trading mentor told me that bone smashing the candles works 10 times out of 10. We're gonna put the...
That's cooked. That is absolutely cooked. Your recent vid is sick, Mochi. You can't compliment your own videos, bro. You're not fooling anyone, Eugene. You're not fooling anyone. Chat, we got 7 minutes here to the hourly close. Let's make a mill. Honestly, I think it might be time. All-time highs again? Yeah. Chat, we're literally just ripping through all-time highs. Over and over and over and over and over. What's gold doing against the euro, actually? Because is this gold being strong, or is it the dollar being extremely weak? No, it's still breaking all-time highs on the euro chart as well. Holy skibs, man. I hurt my sack. No, you didn't. What is this guy up to, man? Like, genuinely, what goes on inside your brain? Uh-oh. This gay boy's coming. What are you complaining at? He's literally complaining about everything. Can't talk about my country like that. Insane. Mr. Mochi, Russian, confirmed. All right, chat. But look. By the way, if you guys are in the TRLS curriculum, right? If you paid for the course, I uploaded another course video yesterday, which is actually really fucking important. In fact, if you saw it, you would have actually known that this was the setup right here. I didn't see this on the futures chart because I did my analysis on the Forex chart, but that was a really nice play on the 30. I made a video about like liquidity sweeps, about accumulation, manipulation, distribution, all that sort of shit. So if you do want to, or if you have got the course already, it is there for you to watch. Mochi works for the KGB? Yeah, maybe. Chat, 5 minutes here to see if we're going to close above or not. If we close above, we're going to probably get a position here. If we don't, then actually mad respect for still updating the course and not just leaving us in the dust. I would never leave anyone in the dust, my bro. I appreciate it, but for me, that's just normal, right? I mean, you've paid for a service, and I want to give you the best possible results and education, etc. Holy shit, chat. We swept the highs here and then grabbed a little bit of liquidity here. 5 minute actually closing bearish after sweeping the highs, which is kind of cray-cray if you think about it. I've never said that before in my life, and I probably will never say it again. Cray-cray is mad. Oh, ripping down, chat. Very, very interesting here. Chat, do you guys want a little update on the funded journey? I'll give you one anyway. I don't know why I asked the question. So, this morning, I failed a funded account on Apex, which was very, very close to being passed, right? It was like 300 bucks away, and then I just full ported it. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. And then I had a similar position in buys on gold after that one, and then this one's like 20 bucks away from being passed. Yesterday I passed 2 more. So we're currently sat at 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nearly 8 of ours passed with Apex. Which is going to be 400k, right? Which will bring us to a total of 600k funding if I pass that one. And after that, I don't even know what's going to happen. We're going to oh yeah, the top step ones are an extra 200k if we pass those, which is going to be 800k. And then, yeah. How am I going to get an extra 200k? Maybe I just stack more on Apex. You can't stack more than 5 on top step, right? Interesting. Chat, 3 minutes here till the hourly close though. Do you recommend FTMO? I've never ever used FTMO to be honest, so I can't recommend them or not. It's kind of crazy, but I've never recommended them. I've never used them, sorry. Call retail sales? Yes. Chat, by the way, I was looking at another trader's course earlier because someone sent it to me and I wanted to see what it was. It's quite a big trader. I wanted to see what it was in comparison to mine. Bro, the course I have is way more detailed than any of these other traders are selling. I can't believe what those guys are selling. It's actually insane. Like, they are actually... It's insane, honestly. Like, what we have here, I have 15 hours of content as well as 11 modules. Like, the most detailed thing, introduction, like how to learn, etc. Bro, and then these other traders I saw that had like 6 30-minute long videos, and that was the course. I was literally sat there like, no way people pay for that. I thought mine was like middle of the road, but it's clear that right now we're like, the one that I have available is just way above anyone else. How much is your course? It depends. It's basically you can get access to just the course and the private group, which is 500 bucks one time and it's lifetime entry. Or I have one-on-one mentorship, which is, depending on what you need, a different price. Value's insane. Yeah, honestly, bro, it's fucking crazy. Genuinely, it's the most insane value I've seen in the trading space. I don't know how, like, bro, if people like TJR and like people like that had the same course as me, there'd be a way better rep on course sellers, right? Chat, 1 minute till the close. Oh, I didn't announce the stream as well. Let me shut the door, because... Oh, the AC's not even on, that's why. I didn't send the stream in the bloody Discord, did I? What a silly boy. Chat, it's time to make a meal. I said, top 1 futures is okay, mate, if you're looking for funded. I'll take a look at them. Just swerve the live shit after the third payout. Did you manage to get around that? Because I think with top step and everything, it's non-negotiable. We'll have a look. Of course we'll have a look. Chat, 30 closing here. It's so tough that we filled the range. Very tough. Very, very tough. Nah, I fucked it off until it was left. Smart. Smart plays, Mr. Jar. Oh, chat, should we do a little NQ analysis as well? Oh my days, look at this. It's all-time. How is everything at all-time highs? That's what I don't understand. Surely gold being at all-time highs should mean that the dollar isn't. Or like NQ isn't. Same shit though, 4 hour no top wick, 2 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, little pullback skis. There you go, nice little range. Crazy work. Man's gonna have to start trading NZD CAD. Chat, we're gonna have to go over to Cocoa Futures, I can't lie. Cocoa Futures might be the one. Coming up to Christmas, it's all in on buys. We had the Easter rally. Oh no, this is a Christmas rally. Is it Christmas every year? Oh my days, chat. Christmas and Easter might be the meta. That actually might be the meta, you know? This guy's beefing with himself in chat. Bro, I feel like we're watching a schizophrenia episode from Eugene right now. Zip it is crazy. Actually insane. Put us on the Cocoa Futures on God. Putting us on the... Yeah, bro, it wasn't me. It was Tom. Bro, I was chased yesterday by someone schizo on the train. Holy shit. Did you run away or did you... Oosh. Just a little one. I said, zip it, mister. You're grounded. Whoa. Me grounded? Shut up. No way. 0% chance. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to use my... Yeah, alright, whatever. Chat, what if we make 10 mil right now? I'm dead serious about this. What if we just decide to make 10 mil? Because we could. I have so much... So fucking many activation fees to pay right now. I think genuinely I have like... nearly $1,000 in activation fees to pay today. I'm gonna start punching people, chat. You pushed an old lady? Who did? What's good, truck driving gamer? What's good? Welcome back, my friend. You just lost streaming privileges? Your router's gone? Fine, I'll get a Starlink. You think I won't? Mom. You need the strawberry monster? I'm drinking it right now, but we only had one left, so me and Tom shared it. So it's in a glass. It's in a glass. But I'm drinking one right now. Don't you worry, chat. My fiance's like, let's move to another seat, so we move away. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't read the first one. My fiance and I got on the train in Stockholm. We sat down and everything is good. A strange 25 to 30-year-old woman sits in front of us and she immediately stares on her neighbor's phone and acts weird. My fiance is like, let's move. And when we stand up and sit somewhere else, this strange woman says, do you recognize me? What's good, Trend Trader? Welcome back, brother. Story time with Blizzy right now, and then chases us in the train and says, I get a weird energy from you too. Do you recognize me? Crazy.
TA of doom and despair, mate. Oh. Got my outfits on.
Oh shit, we got shout matching.
Man, I'm so tired. I don't know.
This guy is the whiniest guy I've ever met in my life.
I noticed he's sleepless.
Oh, I'm so tired. Sleepless nights. We slept for hours.
Well, no, we didn't. You did.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Bro, you ever heard about not being a bitch? You should try it. It's actually really good. No flinch. Absolutely zero flinch. You guys sleeping in one bed? Yeah, spooning, right? 2 guys, 1 bed is crazy. We can't be tired until we can afford Lamborghini tires. Say it again. Twin Nem, what's good, Raze? How's it going, bro? Ooh. Tom, how are you tired? It's like 2 p.m. where you guys are. Trust me. It's nothing compared to what happens in NYC. Bro, I can't even imagine what New York's like. I genuinely think America is just a GTA lobby.
Holy massive.
This guy's so tiny.
God, you are getting mobbed right now. Goodness gracious. Look at me, look at the size of them shoulders.
You literally weigh 25 kilograms less than me, you know that, right?
You're just getting angled on your own stream.
America's a GTA lobby? Yeah, I guarantee it is. What's your analysis? My analysis is everything's bullish, so let's wait for a pullback and get a nice little position. The problem is we have news in like 20 minutes, and we close respecting the level right now, which is kind of dog water, to be truly honest. 5-minute close, bearish, little rejection. It's going to be a bit difficult. SG looks like he's been dipped in gravy. Get out on the balcony. Yeah. Is that pink box in the bag? New name for Tom is Pink Box. We need a balcony talk from Tom right now. He doesn't have the intellect to like speak for that long. All he can do is literally just scroll social media. This guy, by the way, he's the biggest brain rot I've ever seen in my life. Like earlier, I literally caught him, no word of a lie. Right, I made food, and he sat down and he loads up a Jinxie stream, and Jinxie starts talking and he goes, he sat there like, you are literally those guys, like, you're just Mr. Brain Rot.
No, because if anyone in chat is clocked on how good Jinxie's Clash Royale streams are, they are pure entertainment.
Oh my god, you're actually minuscule. Like, next to me, you look like a toothpick.
I don't think you realise what is on screen right now. It's not like this in real life.
Doom scroller on the couch. Trust me, bro. I walked in this morning. He's literally, it was like 8 a.m. and he's just there like, all day. That's all he does.
I've got to get my scroll pro in.
What's good, Tom? How's it going, bro? Welcome to the chat. We're just violating the other Tom. Where are you going? See, that's it. He's done. He's gone to scroll again. I guarantee I'll walk in there in 10 minutes and he'll be scrolling. Oh, chat. Bottom wick being made. No, don't leave. Nah, fuck him. Other Tom, you know. Yeah, you're the main Tom. The doom scrolling continues. I know, bro. This guy's brain is fully melted. How does he expect to wait for an hourly candle closure if you can't not scroll on Instagram for 2 seconds? Need to get myself out to Cyprus. Yeah, you actually do, chat. All of you guys. We'll do a TRLS meetup out here. We need to take over Cyprus. I've been thinking about this because, bro, like, TRLS is actually a massive community. There's no real traders like that out here. If we just like start a huge fucking movement, right? It's gonna be game over. It's actually gonna be game over. What if we make like the biggest meetup in history? Just the fattest TRLS meetup. Go beach and everything. Eugene can sleep outside? Yeah, bro, it's warm enough, right? Let him sleep on the beach. He'll be fine. All right, chat. Oh my God. What is the move? Unite the TRLS? Trust me. Bro, we need to get some flags. We'll just scrap Mochi. Imagine Mochi actually turns up and it's like a different person. Oh my days, bro. I hit the... Where's your cat? Bro, my cat's in Germany right now. My cat is actually in Germany. My cat is traveling more than most of you guys. Just on a little holiday. I just thought, you know what? Let me send her off. Huh? No, he ain't. It's a she, firstly, but yes, she is. Chat. That's another trade of 8 pass right now. I had to get $10, so I just did a little scalp here. There's another trade of 8 pass. So we are currently now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 400k funded on Apex. Woohoo! Nah, I'm joking. But, I mean, I'm not joking. It's true. Running out of pages in the cat passport? I know, bro. I'm going to have to get her a new one. What's good, Game Nado? Welcome back, my friend. Chat, what if just pass my Apex account for me, gang? All right, yeah, I'll pass. Chat, I'm gonna run a new service. I'll pass Apex accounts for a band each. If you give me $1,000, I'll pass your Apex account, guaranteed. And actually, not guaranteed. Imagine. Bet is crazy. $10 million. Ripping back down here, chat. So you got comics open here in about an hour. Not an hour. What the fuck am I talking about? 10 minutes. Which it should bring some volume in, to be honest. You got to pass them all in one go. Oh, bro, that's a lot of pressure. Even I don't trade them all at once. You could, to be fair. Chat, you know what we could do? Just for a little bit of entertainment value. We could bring out the old buy stop, sell stop on news. Do you remember the last time we did it? It was the most anticlimactic thing ever. It just didn't even move. Oh my days, I need a haircut so bad. FOMC's tomorrow? Yeah, true. If you're gonna do it, it's gotta be FOMC, right? But I swear FOMC always wigsaws. Like, I swear. Ripping down here, chat. Ripping down. News in 20 minutes? Yeah, chat. Very interesting here. Let's see what news does. By the way, drop a like if you haven't already. 60 people in here. Let's get to at least 40 likes on the stream. Hopefully we can catch some nice little positions today. I'm genuinely thinking, I mean, if this hour flips, it's going to rip up, right? Like, that's a pure and classic Sky Dweller right there. We've seen it before. We'll see it again. Should take you up towards, outer space, right? But realistically, this is a lot of liquidity being grabbed right now. If the 30-minute close is bearish, it does change the narrative a little bit. Pushing downwards, chat. So I can pass that Apex in one trade if I trade FOMC? Yeah, of course. You can just full port on FOMC and you'll be fine. Why is the light still not on me when I'm there? Well, how does that work, chat? The light's really on me here, and then I move like 1 centimeter back and there's like no light. How is that even a thing? I honestly might have to start scrapping. Chat, how should I do the funded rolls in the Discord, right? Should I just do it where you just send it in and then say how much funding you've got? Because otherwise people are going to be like, yeah, I've got $1 billion funded, right? You have to send it into maybe here. And then, I don't know, tag me and you get the roll. Isn't pointed right. It's pretty, I don't know. It might just be the camera. I don't even know. The light's definitely still on me, right? It doesn't just disappear. Yo, chat. How has your guys' month been so far, though? We're currently like halfway through September. We are 2 weeks away from Q4, right? I'm starting the great Q4 lock-in before Q4's even started. That's how you know you're locked in. You're locked in before even the commencement of the quarter. But how's your quarter been actually, guys? Because we're coming up towards the end of Q4. Has this been your best trading quarter so far? Has it been your worst? More like Q-ball. When did we ever lock out? That is true. That is actually true. We never locked out. Worst so far? Nah, you made progress, Mr. Rentero. You're learning, right? Learning is progress. If you've made $0 from trading this quarter, but you're a better trader than you were before, that means it's a good quarter, right? Having a good quarter is not just about the monetary value. I didn't make as much money this quarter as I did last, but I'm also setting myself up to have a really good Q4 because I'm coming up to $1 million in funding, okay? I haven't got the payouts from them yet because this month has been just setting that up. Coming into Q4, obviously we'll be trying to stack the payouts. So on paper, I've made no progress this month, but actually when you think about it, I've made a very significant amount of progress, and it's the same for you. If you haven't made money, but you've made progress in your skill or your ability to make money, then it's a banger quarter, right? That's all you can ask for. Wagwan General. What's good, Kaiser? How's it going, bro? What's going on, Shan? I love those interviews with fucking Eddie Hearn and what's the guy's name? Fuck, Tom, what's that guy's name? Oh, the boxing interviewer begins with a P. Chat, what's his name? You guys know it. Parsons, yeah, bro. Parsons is. Those two together are so fucking funny, man. Does it make sense to wait to take a payout until you've built up your funding to avoid a tight drawdown? Depends on depends what you're funded on. If it's Forex, then no. If it's futures, then it can do. But in reality, I genuinely think that it's just smart to take the payout whenever you can. Even if it blows the account, right? No one really cares. Take the money and run. Chat, we're ripping down here. Are you taking the flips on? No, we got news in. We got comics open in 4 minutes. 15 minutes just closed bearish. Did respect the range though, which is interesting. Comics open in 4 minutes, like I said, and then news straight after that, chat. So realistically, we should have a lot of potential here. What I don't understand is, how do we have like, bro, I swear 90% of people's attention span is so low. I take a week off from streams and like everyone's like, oh, SG must be dead. I'm never turning up to a stream ever again. Gen Z, yeah, trust me. YouTube views up? Yeah, no, 100%. The YouTube's been banging recently, guys. I appreciate the support very, very much. Chat, I've got the craziest YouTube vid coming. You guys are not ready for this shit. Honestly, you guys are not ready. It's going to be probably a couple of months, but... What's good, Mr. Will? Chat, it's time to make $1 gazillion. Actually, it's time to make some serious bread right now, chat. Made such a fire house beat, by the way. Got to send it to you. It's a stinker. Send me a load of them, right? Would you ever hit a vacay trip to Dubai? I'd pull up if you did. Yo, low key, I'm thinking about getting composite bonding on my teeth, right? And if I do, I'm gonna do it in Dubai because it's pretty cheap. You average 50 per stream when it used to be 20. It was never 20, bro. Like, it started at like 70. Then we went to like 200. Then I took like a month off. Then it was like 100. I don't think it was ever 20, to be honest. But I appreciate it, Rentero. Anyway, yeah, like the viewers, I don't really care about. Like, at least 50 of you guys turn up every single day, which is a fucking massive achievement, right? 50 people in a room would be crazy. So, nonetheless, I'm actually super, super grateful for it. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, I'm doing an event with Bright Funded again. It's not like an in-person podcast because obviously I live in a fucking different country. But I don't know if you guys would have seen if you follow their accounts. Where is it? Here he is, Mr. SG. What are the comments saying on this? So true. Great. Fire. Yeah, who's this guy, bro? This guy's always just talking wisdom. Trolling your dopamine. If you're sat there on TikTok. Like, this guy's actually just so smart. Nah, anyway. Look at this. Look at this event right here, chat. Funded Blueprint live event. Sam, 750k funded trader. Yeah, man. Loving that long sleeve. Bro, yeah, this long sleeve was hard back in the day. I have it still with me here in Cyprus, but it's just way too warm to wear it. My fault, I meant live viewers. Nah, live viewers was always out there. Bro lied in his resume. Me? Nah, the point of saying this, I did have 750, right? When we made this thing. Now I've got 600. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. God. Blizzy, man. Yeah, I'll get him to change it. I'll be like, yo, I know I said 750 and I know you've already posted it, but delete it and put less, please. Nah, I'm joking. But since then, obviously, I lost a lot of funding and then I got a lot back. So we're on the way back, man. By the time the event happens, I'll have a mil. How about that, Blizzy? And then we can say I lied on my resume the other way. Nah, I know you're just joking anyway. Chat, we're pushing back up here. 15 flipped, right? Interesting. Comex open. We back? Yes, sir. What's good, Product Architect? How you doing, my friend? 5 minutes. I want to buy. Yeah, it does look nice. I can't lie. It does look pretty crisp right here. Crispity crunch. But obviously, you do have news very shortly, which is kind of tough. 15-minute. I mean, we'll see, chat. We'll see what happens here. Because it might just rip down and break these lows, right? It probably needs to sweep the lows, to be honest, anyway. It probably needs to do that anyway. I'm in. Bro said, I love lying, and then he said, I'm in. Did you ever have curtain haircut? Yeah, I actually did. I actually did at school. I used to have proper curtains. Imagine, right? Little SG turning up to private school. Blazer on, curtains in hand. Not in hand, but on my head. What's good, Danny? How's it going, my bro? Let's buy before news and let the news hit our target. Let's not do that, actually. Brother, I'm here for the past month just now. At the job, we'll be streaming support tomorrow. And Thursday, Fridays. You're all good, brother. Listen, you don't have to chat on the stream. If you turn up and you're just learning or listening in the background, I appreciate you all very, very much. Thank you, Willie, bro. Can't imagine how cute you would have looked. Cute, you know. Cute is crazy. That is honestly out of pocket. I'm gonna say that. I think that's where we draw the line. Not gonna lie, get married already? Yeah, trust me, he's gay. That's crazy. Chat, drop a like on the stream, man. Let's get to at least 50 likes. Show us a pic? No. Maybe not. Oh! Wait, I might have an old pic. I'm curious, Kurt. I don't know if I have any old pics. Any plans on getting a new car? No, my bro, not yet, man. I'm enjoying my Range Rover at the minute. It's nice. It does the job. And I have some other investments coming up very shortly that I need a serious amount of money for. So I can't afford a new car. But the amount of G-Wagons and Uruses and Brabuses I see around here, I would be lying if it said it doesn't tempt me, right? Every day I see them, I'm like, I could just put a little 30. I could sell the Range Rover, put like a 20, 30k deposit down, and I'd have a G-Wagon, right? And it's tempting, bro, but I know it's the wrong decision, so I'm not gonna do it just yet. If I get the right amount of money, then yeah, sure. But I can't lie, I'm privileged enough to have a nice car, so a Range Rover will do, right? But those G-Wags or those Uruses do look pretty crispy. Or a GT3 RS, chat. Or a GT3 RS. GWAG for 30k? No, 30k deposit, obviously, and then like the rest would be financed. Like, I would not pay in full cash for a GWAG. That'd be crazy. I mean, you could, to be fair, but I don't have that kind of money, bro. I mean, my Range Rover now is fully paid off, right? I didn't finance it at all, but for a G-Wagon, that's like, what, 200k minimum? In Cyprus, it's probably way more. G-Wagon for sale, Cyprus. Cars are like double the price here for some stupid reason. Oh, they're not actually that bad. 2021 G-Wagon for... wait, bro, I thought they were way more money. Oh, no, okay. Yeah, they are about 200k, right? I saw one for... Bro, 125. How can you get a G-Wagon for 125? Someone tell me how that's possible. Would you like to develop an app? Do not develop this guy's app, whatever you do. It's a trick. It's a big scam. G63 version? Oh, is that what it is? Bro, I don't actually know about the different models. I'm not that tapped in with the G-Wagons. I don't really care about a G63, bro. I just want like a... This is a G400. I don't care about like the G63. Oh, chat, that is so crispy. It's red as well. 113,000. Who puts that many miles on a G-Wagon, bro? See, it's got a smaller engine than my Range Rover does now. Just saying. My car is probably faster than this. In fact, it definitely is. I've got like 370 brake, 3.2 litre or something, and twin turbo. Yeah, I'm smoking this at the lights. They are expensive, bro. Their cars are so expensive in Cyprus. This is... Oh, that's a Brabus, to be fair. Chat. 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 Are we buying a G63, chat? Fine, I'll buy a G63. I'm joking, I can't afford that. That's fucking gorgeous, though. That is actually super fucking nice. What year is it? 2022? Oh, chat. This looks like the GTA car site. I've never played GTA, to be honest, so I don't know what that's like, but hopefully cool. 450k, though, is a lot of money. Wait, let's look. I was looking the other day at like a McLizzy. We have news in 5 minutes, by the way. I am locked in. How do I search? McLaren. Do they have a McLiz? No. A Urus is 300,000 euros, though. Oh, chat. GT4 RS could be an absolute stinker car. With the YSAC pack. I'd rather get that than a G-Wagon, I think. And I'd keep the Range Rover then. I mean, I'm living in dreamland right now, but... Nah, actually, I could buy that, but I'm not retarded, right? Like, I genuinely think the kids who get like a crazy car straight away are so stupid. I would like 10 times rather buy, I don't know, stock or a property or whatever. 4 litre, 500 brake. Bro, that must be a ridiculous whip. RS3 Cuzzy. Yeah, or I get the RS3 Cuzzy, bro. Stage 3 tune, bro. Remapped. Proper Rami car, bro. With the pops and bangs. Not in a way that... Wait, what about a two-tone Maybach truck? They're quite cheap now, apparently. Like, apparently they dropped in price. Anyway, chat, we've got news in 2 minutes here. Let's lock it in. We're in car land for right now. Should we full port news? How do you full port? Buy stop and sell stop. Very simple. Very, very simple. Browser. I don't have any accounts to do it, though. I've literally on my last Apex account that's not passed, so I would have to buy an account, and I don't have time now, unfortunately. Unless Tom wants to let me full port one of his. Do it tomorrow, is what he said. I think it'll move though. I do think it'll move. Come back in here. Yo, what's good, W7? Welcome back, my bro. Chat, 1 minute till news. Lock it in. Oh my days. I wonder what my neighbors think if they ever hear me. I don't actually, to be fair, I don't think they can ever hear me. I don't really have neighbors. There's like people above, but no, people below as well. That's it, bro. Ow. My shoulders and chest hurt so much. I had the fucking craziest chest workout yesterday. Where would it be? If you're doing the buy stop, sell stops, what the best thing to do would be like, you basically find a range like this where price is, you put one above the high, one above like the low like that, and then you put, the best thing to do as well is to already put your TP and SL in. But then the problem is something like this could happen, you know, you could get activated before, like that. I actually thought I got activated then because I, like in my head that line was a buy, it was a sell stop, but I was just obviously showing it. Craziest night with Tom? No. Not quite, bro. Not quite. Now, it was good though. We actually locked in. Chat, I'm going to be bringing you a couple of vlogs actually. I know you guys enjoy the vlogs. Posted like a realistic day in the life one. It doesn't do as well as the ones where I'm doing crazy shit. So I have a one where we're doing crazy shit as well. But then we're going to do like the lock-in vlog, which I think is going to be sick. 10 billion. Oh my days. Did it just come out? Oh, it did come out. Yeah, I missed it. I can't lie. So we popped up first and then popped down. So you would have actually, yeah, you would have passed your accounts if you full ported that. Interesting. With buy stop, sell stop. We made a big move there. 36 pips is not crazy actually. For news, it's relatively small, but it was still a move. Where's Forex Factory? All right, so the news came out as positive for the dollar, which is bearish for gold. Very interesting. Life is good. Just had to pop in for news. Yeah, say less, bro. Welcome back, my bro. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, chat. So this, in my opinion, is liquidity. I want to see us sweep this low here. That is current London lows. If you sweep below here and then reject, right, get like a nice little bullish closure somewhere in this area, you can basically look at taking this position here where you come down, do something like this, close back within the range, and then you'll catch this move back up. That's what we'll look to take. But realistically, a lot needs to happen before that, right? We need to get the little push down, break the low. To be fair, chat, if you close, oh, we did flip as well. If you close bullish on this 30, above the level, above, what is it, 37.30? Yeah, above there, you're good to go. We're going to get some nice little positions if we close above there. So let's see, chat. Stay focused, stay locked in, man. Yo, I actually get so many people DMing me asking for money. It's actually insane. Like, if people put the amount of work in to asking and begging people for money that they did to actually learning trading and learning risk management, they'd actually be all right. You know what the funniest one I get is though, chat? The funniest one I get is, I blew my account and I need money to buy new accounts, but when I pass them and get a payout, I'll pay you back. So you can't trade. You have a gambler's mindset. You need some more money to fuel your gambling addiction, but when you make money gambling, you'll pay me back. Safe. Smart idea. So retarded, honestly. Did the full port happen? No, I have no accounts to full port on. I only have one left and it's like $200 away from passing, right? So I can't do that. But I genuinely, I'm thinking about getting some more accounts for tomorrow before FOMC and just hit a little buy stop, sell stop. Oh, chat, we flipped on the 30 here. Let's just pump gold now. Honestly, if this does push up from here, we should be good. Mr. Mochi, where you at? He's nowhere, bro. He's scared. Chat, let's get to 40 likes on the stream if you haven't already. By the way, Apex does currently have an 80% off sale, right? So if you do want to take advantage of that, the code is TRLS. You guys know that. And with that, you can get 1 day pass as well. So you can buy it, full port, pass within a day. Super easy, super simple. $10 billion. $18 is $36 right now. It's 80% off sale. So they don't have the 90% off right now. And I've been informed that they're not going to have one until at least like mid-September. Well, that's what they told me. But they have 80% off right now at Apex, which is obviously very good still. $36 for a 50k account is very cheap. Especially because like you get a 1% payout, that's $500. You basically 20x your money at that point. I mean, it's a little bit less, but still. Let's even say 10x, right? Still a banger fucking ROI. What was the time window rules for ACG in which you cannot trade news? It's already mid-September. Mid-October is what I meant. My bad. You are right, Dylan. What the time window? I think for ACG, I think you can trade like 2 minutes before and after. No, 5 minutes before and after, something like that. Ban Dylan, crazy work. Oh my days, chat. That's a strong ass closure on the 5 minute there. Ridiculously strong closure. What is the move? I honestly think we wait to see if it closes back above the level here. If the 30 can close strong above the level, you should be good to... Even if the 30... Oh, we'll ignore that voice crack. Even if the 30 closes above the level, we should be good. Ban Danny is crazy. We're having some ban wars going on right now. Oh my days, this shit's ripping. Oh. Clips is crazy. Are you still scalping? This guy's over there in the back rooms. Are you in buys? I'm on NQ. Alright, let's look. Are you in buys? Stop scalping then. He goes from the he's sat in my living room right now. He goes like, I'm scalping. Like, you in buys? Like, yeah, but it's not going very well. Now the buys should be good here, bro. Not good. Sir, please give me signals so I can full margin. Indian voice be like, yo, honestly, I was watching some TikToks last night, get my scroll quota in, and I saw the craziest full margin like TikTok ever. And then, how do people believe that it's real? You know those videos where someone's going like, and they're executing like 1 million trades, and they flip like $5 into 100k, and there's people in the comments going like, how do you do this? Do you have a signal group? Do you have this? Do you have that, bro? How do people believe that's real? This guy's margin percent was on 29 million%, right? A normal margin percent is like 400, is like quite high actually. Like if you get into like 1,000 margin, that's crazy. This guy's margin percent was 29 million. Fuck off, you're failing that immediately. Scroll quota, yeah, scroll quota is a real thing, man. You gotta get like at least 1,000 scrolls a day in. L student. Yeah, 29 mil margin percent is crazy. Were you profitable?
No.
Is bugger still a swear, bro? Eugene asks.
It's like a 19th century swear.
Chat, we're pushing back down here. I don't know why there's only 30 likes on the stream, chat. I'm just saying. I reckon you start scrapping them.
Yeah, that was actually...
You know what it is, chat? We haven't got the clickbait of doom here. can smell a black vest.
It smells of hot dog, yeah.
It does smell like up dog here, to be fair. No takers? Alright. You know up dog. Now, what is up dog? Holy shit, chat. Ripping back down here. This is what I mean. This is why you have to wait for the confirmation, right? We tap back into the level. Great. And then an immediate rip back down. Holy confirmation. Shave your armpits at 9k? No. Chat, we are actually getting pretty close to 9k. What are we on right now? 8.8. Oh shit, we're actually hella close. Like 100 subs off 9k. 10k by Q4. It's pretty aggressive. I think we could do it though. Or at least, nah, definitely 10k by 2026. Minimum, right? 20k by 2026. Whoa, chat. What's Yannick sent me? $10k before end of October? Yeah, definitely. Grow a beard at 10k? Bro, if it was that easy. Yo, this is actually what... Oh, wait, Tom, look at this. It's actually exactly what my fridge looks like. Wait, chat. This is a W fridge right here. Wait. Oh my days, focus. Not the peptides, the monster, and the milk.
No food.
No food, just the milk. Just grow the beard like mine and you'll be all set. I don't think I could grow a beard like yours. Charge your phone? Oh shit, yeah, my phone is nearly flat actually. Good boy.
Oh, crazy. The extendo mark.
Good little boy. Put him to work? Yeah, trust me. You're flat? Mr. Mochi just called me flat, bro.
You got no volume.
This is...
Muscles. Nothing on them.
How has he just come and grabbed my bicep? That's gotta be gay. I'm not being funny, that must be homo. Just come and like, grabbed my muscles. My muscles. Holy shit, chat. We might actually close below here. If we have a break of structure, genuinely... Bro, please confirm the bugger situation. Hey Tom, go cut the grass outside for the payment of rent. Yeah, facts.
There's no grass out here.
Actually, there's no grass. I've got him doing the washing up there.
Yeah. I've actually been the housewife for the last few days. I do all the cooking and the cleaning.
Tom, get under the desk. Crazy.
Desk support.
Tom, why are you touching other men? Jay says. Exposed.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
Don't charge him rent. I don't even know what to say to that. Yeah, of course not. Chat. Oh my days, bro. We actually swept the lows. What did I say? What did I say about the little sweepski potatoes? Oh, you didn't even break the low. You made it like an equal low. Oh. Equal lows. Alright, Mr. ICT.
What's he been saying?
The ones who are obsessed with the gay jokes need to check themselves. Straight men don't talk like that. Bro, the straightest men make the gayest jokes. Like 1,000%. Honestly, if you see the way guys talk to themselves behind the closed doors, it's like... It's just completely normal. The ones who don't make gay jokes, the ones who are like... oh, that's gay, bro. Don't say that. Those are always the gay ones. That's exactly how it works.
It's not gay to get close with the homies.
Well, we've both got socks on, so it can't be gay.
It literally can't be.
It's like...
Your little spoon.
It's always gay with the homies. Like, it actually is. Like, if you're good mates with someone, it's always a little bit suspect.
I'm being serious, though.
Like, to be fair, a lot of the times when we're together, like, my girl will look at us and be like,
What are you guys?
what the fuck are you on about? Oh, 5-minute closing bullish here. Oh shit, it's a 15-minute close as well. Holy close here, chat. That 5 close is very nice. You swept all the lows. If you're a very aggressive trader, that could be very good for some buys. But for me, chat, I think we need to wait for the hourly. I can't lie. Your girl jealous of Tom? He's about to take you? Nah. The slops aren't that good. I can't lie. They can't see your face, so.
Where's it come? Oh. I'm off center. Should be on this side. Oh, it's just the same shit.
That one was a bit crazy, I can't lie. I'll take that back. Clip farming. This 5 close looks super nice, chat, I can't lie. What is going to happen here? L scalp. Thing is, chat, though, look, we've been grabbing liquidity and then ripping down, grabbing liquidity, then ripping down over and over and over. So you need to wait for some form of structure break here. You need to see some bullish structure, closure above the level or something, because, chat, this bottom wick doesn't always mean it's liquidity, right? Like, it doesn't always mean that. In fact, a lot of the time when you see something like this, it is going to continue to push down. So you need to be very careful here. Stay patient. Did Tom come to Cyprus just to get rinsed? Yeah, probably. Can't lie. What do I have in my pocket? Oh, it's my gym card. I need to not forget that. Tom's looking at stream chat and taking names for his getbacks. Yeah, he actually is. He's got a list of targets. Whenever we do a TRLS meetup, Tom's just going to come out in a shiesty. Start spraying. I don't know, man. Pushing up here, chat. Can we get a position today, though? That's the most important thing. I feel like we haven't had a position on stream for a while. He can spray me is crazy from UJ. That's actually devious work. Seriously out of pocket stuff. All right, we're pushing back up here, chat. Oh my days, bro. I literally... Yeah, Mr. Mochi's a different level of brain rot. I can't lie. The fact that you've invented some weird raccoon character that's like... I don't even understand. I don't even really know how to explain it, but it's just... I know for a fact it's not good. I genuinely want to know what it's like to live with Eugene. I don't think you do, bro. I genuinely think it's probably the weirdest situation ever. Like, I'd like to be fair, I would like to be in Eugene's inside his head for one day and just think what he thinks. It's Eugene, bro. Nah, it is Eugene. We've already confirmed this. We've already confirmed this. Because one time he accidentally messed it up and put the wrong message from the wrong account. Crazy. Nah. Nah, you guys always turn everything gay, man. Rejecting a little bit, chat. Rejecting the push up. Very, very interesting. What are we going to see here? So the structure is obviously bearish, right? So right now you kind of just made a lower high here to continue back down. The 15 minutes bullish. The 5 minutes bullish. It's so difficult here, chat. Head from me. Let's talk money first, and then mental. I don't even know what's going on. These streams have actually gone downhill. I don't know why you guys watch them anymore. I'm joking. Thing is, price action is just very poor at the minute. We have an hourly close in 10 minutes, and then NYSE a little bit after that. Now that news has come out, we should have some pure price action. To be honest, chat, we might just be waiting for FOMC later on in the day. That is very valid as well. Oh my days, bro. It's relatively likely that we're waiting for FOMC here. Very, very possible. Which is tomorrow afternoon, right? So it might be a bore to trade today and tomorrow, right? I genuinely think if we don't get anything on the next... Oh, we'll wait till NYSE, I think. And then if we don't get anything after that, we'll call it a day, I think, to be honest. I will be trading tomorrow, though. Like, I don't not trade FOMC days. I still think it's valid to trade them. Bro, my teeth are super sensitive right now. I don't know why. TMI. Timbers were shivered. What's Cryptomaniac in? Oh my days, bro's got 2 8-lot buys stacked. Holy skibbity. 2 4-lot buys stacked. Aggressive ass buys. Chat, what have you guys caught today? If you've caught anything, let me know what you caught, because I think price action's been relatively good in the morning, to be honest. Yeah, you need my help filling that out. You don't have to write or what? Pushing up, chat. All right, so give it 10 minutes here, chat, and then we're gonna have a nice little position. You can entertain chat for a bit.
All right. No full porting, I promise. Wait, where's this chat? Oh, there, here it is. Wait, is that on screen? Chat, what are we saying? How many connies? Let's just do 100. I'm not gonna. As long as you're nice to me. That's the move. I can't. Sam, mate, they do not want to see you win. They don't want to see you win.
Why?
Mr. Mochi especially.
What are they saying?
What do you think
Vile
of this?
things.
What do you think of this? Do a bit of analysis on this move.
138 cons. Yeah.
That's 13k though if you take the highs. That's decent. You can just sit back and relax for the full week.
Oh my days, we would have got activated.
Yeah, but it's your call, mate. What do you think? Do you want to get in this or not?
Chat, fuck all of you guys, honestly.
Mate, do not press enter. Imagine, like you fucking knock the bottle over, just straight onto the enter key.
Oh my days, he pressed it. Silly, silly, silly boys. Chat, it's all your fault, man. You literally spur him on.
Yeah, I couldn't.
You guys don't want to see me win, huh? It'd really be your own closest fucking...
6-7k. Oh, 6-7. Fendi. Sam's literally got the send virus right now.
Chat, one in the chat if we're gonna get Sendy right now. Hey, what's good, Mr. Green? How's it going, my bro? What's good, what's good? Oh yeah, 2. Fair play, Rays. You're already a winner? I appreciate it, my bro. How you doing, my friend? Check chat, I said nothing. Good shit, Dylan. Not the suka bliat. My girl would kill me if I said that, if she knew I said that on stream. I'm not, apparently like it's really bad to swear in Russian. Like it means more.
Yeah, it's more offensive. To be fair, it's like when you, I don't know if you can say it on stream, when you say the C word around Americans, they're all like, oh,
yeah, that is true actually.
oh my God.
Like if you say the bad C word in front of Americans, it is like...
Yeah, in the UK, like that's just...
Yeah, in the UK and Australia
word.
specifically.
Yeah, it's like a filler word.
Yeah, that is true. I don't know why Americans have like a big thing with swear words. Oh my God, bro, he cussed at me.
Harrison, that is fucking trim, dog.
That building is so trim, dog. I love my Americans, but sometimes you guys are a little bit cringe, I can't lie. Oh, chat, what's gonna happen here, man? 5 minutes to the hourly close. This is boring price action right now. The price action of doom. Yeah, we would have hit, we would nearly be near stops on that 7K buy or whatever it was. Chat, should we just change this to a, should I just start streaming stake? Or roulette or something and just, I don't know, start just spamming slots. Go watch some Mochi content while we wait. I don't want to promote this. I feel like genuinely I've actually platformed you a little bit. Because before I showed you on stream, you were getting like 10 views. Then I showed you on stream and now you're getting like relatively decent views.
Hey, you having a good day? Yeah? How about now? How about now? Hey,
Send this to someone with a beautiful ass. If they don't answer in 10 minutes, they have to suffocate you with it. Send this to someone with a beautiful ass.
It's just terrible content. It really is, Eugene. Like, it is not good. Hey, what's good, Gene? How's it going, brother? Welcome back, my friend. Any trades? No, nothing yet. Nothing yet, man. We're waiting. Last week we were 100% win rate, chat, on stream, which is sick. And the week before, actually. But right now, this is cooked. Mega cooked. Honestly, I think that the move might have been this 30 close, right? But I didn't see it because we were on the FX chart. I get more views than you. No, you don't, you little neek. Mr. Moch. We're actually fully in a downtrend now, though, chat. I know, like, it's tempting to take buys, right? But on the lower time frame, we are fully trending down. That's why you need to see, like, some form of confirmation that we are going to continue up. Obviously, higher time frame still bullish, right? But lower time frame, even from like the 15 minute, is pretty bearish. This market's been AIDS? Yeah, it really has. It's really been tough. I mean, I like the pushes up towards all-time highs, right? Because you can just buy and close your eyes. But, oh, yeah, it's getting interesting, chat. I reckon, actually, what we'll do is we'll wait till this hourly close. If nothing prints, I might call it. Nah, New York Open's already been. 4:30 is NYSE. Isn't New York Open 3? Cyprus time.
I don't know. We're in what, UTC +2? Is that?
Nah.
Was it +3? I had a look last night. It changes in Cyprus.
It changes everywhere.
Like from September onwards, I think it's UTC +3.
GMT +3, which is UTC +2, right? So, no, that's wrong. It's just GMT +3.
Hey, just do the indicator. And then that's probably the best way to tell. It's not started yet. It starts in 4 minutes.
Ah, chat. When is NY open? Imagine I'm like a 6-figure trader doesn't know when NY open is.
No, but it's confusing.
Because I don't trade it, and also yeah, the time zones in Cyprus is crazy.
It makes sense in the UK. Like I know exactly when it is in the UK.
No, NYSE open is 4:30 Cyprus time, right? 2:30 UK time. But when is fucking New York open?
I think it's in 2 minutes.
Oh, I thought it was before comics open.
Yeah, but do you know what it is? Your PC time's wrong.
My PC time's UK
I
time.
was gonna say it's not 2 o'clock.
NY opens in 2 minutes. Okay.
Yeah, so it's 4.
Thank you, chat. That is poor form, actually. 15 might close bullish, chat. Imagine this guy's got like, oh, this guy, I mean me, I've got like 100k a year trading profits, and I don't know when fucking New York Open is.
Yeah,
Chat, that just proves the point though. You don't need to know everything to make money in trading. You don't need to know every confluence. You don't need to know any of that shit. You just have to find an edge that's profitable, right? Like, it's that simple. How are we going to close here? If this 15 closes bullish, it might not be too bad for buys. Gold sometimes moves with the indices. Yeah. No, I know. Wobbly as fuck on the off the horse trank right now. Gorse trank. Bro's on that.
Can't say that on stream, I don't think. I don't know.
On the K.
Special K.
The special K. Don't they call it Winnie? No.
And in Newcastle it gets called Kenneth or Kennel.
Kenneth, you know. New York's already open. Is already open, not sir. Yeah, I thought it was too. Keeping it simple is best. Simple psychology and rules, and it's easy pips. Yeah, exactly. I was literally telling this to Tom the other day. Like, bro's trying to learn all these different confluences. You just don't need them. Tom looks like the guy I saw on YouTube who's filming in Nepal. So now we've had the I'm Vietnamese and you're Nepalese.
I don't think you can get that reference. I'm not tapped in.
I'm not tapped in.
I mean, have you seen what's going on in Nepal at the minute?
Yeah.
It's like a revolution.
Chat, hourly closed bearish. Top wick first. Actually respecting the level though. 15 closed mid. Chat, I can't trade this. I literally cannot trade this. The current EST market is open at 8 AM EST. Stock market where more volatility. Yeah, no. The stock market is 9:30 EST, which is New York SE, which is, yeah, New York Stock Exchange. But then New York Open for currencies is 8 AM, which is, yeah.
Oh, look at that comment from Eugene. And he'd be right to think that as well.
What do you say? Tom might have bigger buys, you know?
It's not even really on mine.
Have you seen how he's standing with his little hand like this? Chat, that's the classic technique of putting your hand behind your bicep to try and make it bigger.
No, 'cause you're just closer to the camera and you're tanned. If I was that close to the camera, there wouldn't be any, you wouldn't be able to see anything. So it would just take up the entire screen.
Bro, he could be Tom's brother. Blizzy, show us the guy you mean. He's blinding me. Yeah, you are pretty white. Earlier I was at the gym, right? And we were at the gym. And I turned the camera on to Tom. And bro, it got overexposed. Like the lens started flashing white and shit because you're that pale. I swear to God.
Oversaturated. I want to see this guy.
Nepal vlog.
That could be anybody.
This guy.
I don't know, maybe. I'm not ginger though. I don't know, what do you think? I don't really see it, but I feel like nobody ever sees it.
Look at him running away.
He's got a better beard than me. It's like the Subway Surfers piece of character.
Yeah. Is this the guy you meant, Blizzy? It does look a little bit like... It's not that similar. You're not as ginger. He looks more like... Who's that? The old football YouTuber? Spencer FC.
What?
No, this guy looks like Spencer FC. Bro, this is kind of crazy. Where is he?
This area, you know, was 2 days ago. About everything that happened.
Spencer FC is elite ball knowledge. Yeah, that actually is elite ball knowledge. But this guy looks like him.
Am I right in thinking he's the guy that owns #FC?
Yeah. I don't think this guy... If you had a beard, maybe. Like a proper beard.
Yeah, but I'm just way too handsome to be him, mate. God, lovely on my faces.
I'm not happy. This guy's 600 subs now. That's crazy. 600k subs is mad. Chat, we're ripping down here. Swept the lows again. He had like 20k a week ago. Just mega viral. Is daily flipping? Nearly. I mean, how far off are we? We're like, yeah, 30 pips off daily flip. Holy shit. Should we spin the wheel of buy and sell and just do one or the other?
I don't know. I just don't think this is tradable. I feel like I called this on Monday though. I said Monday and Tuesday I'm going to be tradable.
I passed the funded yesterday and today, so it clearly was tradable.
Yeah, I suppose, but I don't know. I don't really like it. I don't like the PA.
Now the PA is pretty whack. Should we call it GeoGuessr time? Tom, you got to help me with the GeoGuessr. He keeps running away. He doesn't rate you guys anymore. He's literally fed up with you guys. The moment you start talking to him, he runs away. All right, chat. I think. Thank God the camera lagged when you did that. Tom switched up. Yeah, he did. He doesn't rate any of you. Chat. Chat. We are getting to the point where I think it's going to be untradeable. Maybe if you close bullish on the next 30 minute after a liquidity sweep like this, get Tom a chair. Yeah, why don't you just get a chair?
Yeah, hashtag get Tom a chair.
Well, there's a chair right there.
No, this is terrible hospitality.
I'm not getting you a chair. You can get yourself a chair,
You know,
but
there's no bed either. I just have to sleep on the floor, on the cold concrete.
literally a bed right there.
I'll go get a chair.
Should we stay a little bit longer? I don't know. 25 mil is nuts. Yeah, for a video, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, we do need to go to the gym. We fucked it up yesterday and went to the gym at 5 o'clock when it's brokey hour, when all the wages get to the gym, and it was so busy. I've never seen anything like it. That's the best thing about trading is you can go to the gym without the fucking working class turning up. I'm joking.
That is messed up.
That is messed up, but true. Bro's just clip farming at this point.
This lighting is actually... I might have to get my hinge pictures.
From stream. The taco in your fridge might be 3 weeks old. Be careful. I feel like he's just talking about his own self-experience. Finally hit a clean muscle up at the park. Yo, that's crazy. I hit my first muscle up as well, like a couple of weeks ago. It's a good feeling, though. Mine wasn't that... It wasn't too bad.
No, it's quite lucky because you've got Mr. Calisthenic on the stream right now. Because I'm actually crazy at calisthenics.
You can't do a muscle up,
Yes,
though.
I can.
You can't do
I
them.
can so easily do a muscle up.
Do one right now. What a joke. Right. Chat, I think this is untradeable. I think it might be time for the Geo of Guesser.
Yeah. Not good.
Yeah, but these two.
Yeah.
Look at this, chat. Yes, I failed one account today, but...
That was the one at the petrol station, wasn't it?
Yeah. I could have closed as well, but fuck it. Anyway, but look at this. We have already... I need to pay the activation fee on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 140 is what? 7 times 140... 5 times 140 is 700. So it's what? 780? No, 980. It's $1,000. I think that's 980. 7 times 140. No, it's back to normal. Oh my god, that mental arithmetic is next level. That's why I'm profitable, chat, because I can do 7 times 140 in my head. Don't chat to me about that one.
It'll be about like 880 quid or something.
No, it's 9.
That's dollars.
Yeah, but still. Like, when you've traded long enough, what's Tom's favourite soup? That's a good question.
I don't really... Also, have you peeped his name? I don't really...
Yeah, not Trendlines is an OG.
Oh, is it? I don't consume soup. There's no protein in soup.
Tom, stay there, nearly finished. Apex link? Yeah, chat, if you guys want to get an account with Apex Trader Funding, Jay, that is fucking insane. Code TRLS gets you 80% off right now, so you can get a 50k account for $30 Bomberclart dollars, which is fucking insane. The link is right there. Use it right now.
That's almost good as my keep talking. I'm almost done.
Gender neutral. Biggest dickus is kind of crazy. Brr, biggest dickus, the biggest dickus.
He was in this yesterday.
Yeah, he was. I don't know who it is. When we get to hear Tom's real voice.
Oh, you got a voice changer on.
Imagine.
Yeah, Sam's actually really squeaky in real life. He's just got a voice changer on.
Smart. That would also mean you would be too.
That's what he's saying.
Do you trade London too? Yes, I trade London every day. If I'm awake. Nah, normally I wake up at like 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock Cyprus time. I check price, and if price action is whack, I go back to bed. Like, that's what I do every day. And most days price action is whack recently, so I haven't really been trading it too much. But yeah, I do trade London as well. The only thing I don't trade is Asian.
Yeah, I feel like I've robbed myself out of a few hours sleep the last 2 days.
Bro, this guy doesn't listen. I literally said it's not worth waking up for London, and he's like, "No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it." And then every time he wakes up and he's like, "I've been awake for 3 hours and price has barely moved." Every day. All right, let's start the game. Chat.
I'm just trying to be disciplined, methodical about it. This is Cambodia. Cambodia.
Actually, might be, you know.
Look at that. They're trying to decoy you with Thailand, but really it's Cambodia.
Oh shit.
Right.
Imagine if you.
Oh,
Oh, you're not nasty. You didn't get it right.
no, that's close enough.
Well, we're currently in. Okay, third. All right, we'll take it. All right. Chat, you guys are getting smoked on this. Sovereign, full of goodness.
It's written in English.
Oh, I know where this is going to be one of those weird islands in the middle of nowhere.
Well, it was India like yesterday. Somewhere in India, and it was all written in English. I mean, it's got to be.
I've literally got no idea where this could be. It could be like.
Nah.
Oh yeah, that would have been smart. Fuck.
Yeah, 7 points is why.
7 points is kind of crazy.
6, 7.
I can't let gender neutral win. Bro, I'd be trading personal if I could. I can't lie. What do you mean, Mr. Bedge? So much easier? Nah. There's a lot more stress trading personal. I can't lie. Like, I haven't been trading my personal account for the last couple of months. Oh shit, we need to lock in. Where is this? South of France or some shit.
Yeah. We should check the plate on that car.
Alright. I might get this. We're getting cooked. Personal's good, right? Because it is a lot easier. It's more flexible. You can make more money. But there's also a lot of stress. Imagine, chat, I've had losing days on my personal where I'm down 6k in a day. Like, it's not a good feeling.
No.
What's good, Ultimate Life Hacks? I haven't had chai, no, because I'm not Indian.
I suppose with a prop firm, like the worst, like once you've got it into the PA phase,
The worst thing that can
what
happen.
you ever do is you'll lose about 140.
That's the thing, like with the prop, where is this? Fuck it. Your risk is so minimized with a prop, right? Was what I was trying to say. Like your risk is so minimized. I'm nasty. I'm actually nasty. Like your risk is literally maximum what you've put in. So like with Apex, like $150 or whatever. Tell Tom to get pani puri. It's like an Indian dish. It's actually quite nice. I had Indian food the other day when I was back in the UK. That's the one thing I miss is like good Indian food. And the UK does. No, Tom's a very unseasoned guy when it comes to food. Where is this, bro?
Oh, that's UK.
I don't think it is.
In the countryside. Go Northumberland.
Oh my days. Belgium.
It's never in the UK.
Holy Janko. I said we can't let gender neutral come first. Who's gender neutral? Any W trades today? Kick. Unfortunately not, my bro. Who's gender neutral? Apart from you. Holy chat. The 30 might actually close bullish, you know. But chat, listen, that's going to be me done for the day. Much love to everyone who pulled up. We'll be back again same time tomorrow. If you are trading the rest of the day, trade responsibly, fucking manage risk, wait for A+ setups, all of them sort of things. I'm going to go hit the gym. If you fucking haven't already, make sure you go ahead and get a code TRLS account with Apex. That makes no sense, but there you go. Have a great rest of the day. What? What?
They're cussing me out.
When's he gonna go back?
No, and then the one underneath.
What does gender neutral mean?
No, underneath that one.
Have a good day, everyone, but not Tom. Crazy. Yeah, good shit.
Fuck this guy.
All right, chat. Peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye.